How to get free coins on WEBTOON. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get free coins on WEBTOON. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to webtoons.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on the canvas option over here. Now the first method to get free coins is you want to read 30 canvas comics every Sunday. So from here you can select whichever comic you want. You have to read at least 30 canvas comics every Sunday in order to get free coins. So this is one way on how you can get the free coins on WEBTOON. There is another method as well. For this, you want to head back. Now click on the username. From here, select the option of account. Now you want to scroll until you find the option of redeem free coins. Then click on this option of redeem your free coins. Now what you want to do is select your device type over here, then enter your promo code over here. So if you have a promo code, enter it and click on the apply option and your free coins will be redeemed in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.